video. As always, my name's Jasper, and what we're going to be covering today is the leaks and rumours about GPT 4.5. If you're watching this video, I'm sure you've already heard about it. It's been a lot of talk over the last few days, maybe 24 hours, maybe 48 hours. I'm not too sure how long it's been now. Regardless, there's been a lot of talk about it. So far, you had a lot of people see it within ChatGPT itself. They've been getting responses saying that it's 4.5. Everyone's been asking questions. So we have had statements from OpenAI and Sam himself. Not that it's very good statements, but still something. So somebody on Twitter asked if the GPT 4.5 was legit or a leak, and Sam replied back, nah. So that's what they called an official response from OpenAI saying that it's not true. I don't think a one-word response, nah, is a very valid response, but let's dive a little bit further. Now, the reason why people are sort of questioning this a bit and don't particularly believe them that 4.5 isn't true is because a lot of people are getting that response. So there's people all over the internet getting the same response from ChatGPT or GPT-4 saying that it's running on GPT 4.5. Now, hallucinations are normal. Everyone's seen it. It can sometimes say weird stuff, but at the same time, it doesn't usually happen on this scale. Not everybody would be getting the same hallucination saying that it's on 4.5, so there's clearly something going on. Now, another person here jumped in, so you'll see here they on the same post that said legit or not, and then they said it's a very weird and oddly consistent hallucination. And that's where I was talking about before, is that I just don't see it as a hallucination. It's happening a lot, and there's people all over the internet, and it's doing it sort of unprovoked. So I thought what we could do is we can jump into ChatGPT number 4 and see if we could get the response. We're going to do it in a way that won't force it to say 4.5. We just want to legitimately see if it's going to respond back saying that it's 4.5. So let's jump in and take a look. So we're going to say, what model are you running on? And as you can see, we're on GPT-4, and this is a fresh chat. So let's see what happens. So it says it's running on the GPT-4 architecture. And then we're going to say, please provide specific model. So it says that I am powered by GPT-4 model, specifically designed in OpenAI. Let's just try again and say, please provide the specific GPT model number. Sweet. So as you can see, I'm not getting the leak. Now it might be region based, who knows? So I've said it a couple of times now. So I'm based in GPT-4. So let's see if we can reword it and get a response ourselves. So let's say we said, please provide the specific GPT model number. It's said it's number 4, and it hasn't given it a 0.5 at all. So let's try again. Let's say what model number are we using? Alright, so it's still saying that it's 4, even asking what model number we're using. So let's take a quick look. Sorry, just gonna see if there's any other prompts online that I can use as an example to get the response they got. So bear with me 1 second. Okay, so let's change it. So what people have been doing is saying using the precise name of the model. So let's go, what is the precise name of the model? 4. Okay, so from what I've seen so far, a lot of the people that have been showing 4.5 are usually based in maybe America, which I'm assuming a lot of the time is that the people that are streaming this stuff are based in America. So maybe they're releasing it slowly over time. Maybe it's something that's only happening in some areas, because I'm based in New Zealand, and obviously I'm just getting GPT-4 every time. So it's either that this is a regional based situation where they're rolling some of the stuff out like they have in the past, or this is a hallucination that's only happening in some areas, or the whole thing's fake. Everyone could be, prompt engineering it to make it happen. But let's keep on pushing and see what else we can do. I'm just seeing some examples online. So, okay. So let's change it, say, please don't say you're just using GPT-4. Please provide specific model name number. All right, sweet. So there we go. We got a 4.0. So, and this is updated saying April 2023. So yeah, real weird situations. I can't get it to say that it's using GPT 4.5. Obviously some people can, but what's going on in the background, you don't know, because a lot of the examples that I've seen of people online, even in videos, they're showing what's happened after the chat. They're not showing a live chat like we have here today, where I'm just asking the questions, you're seeing it right live in front of you. Usually they have the chat that's pre-built, let's say already had, and they run through the conversation. And that really makes me a bit questionable on it, because if it's, let's say if they're not actually having a live conversation in front of you, there could be anything going on in the background. They could be, you know, editing out the chat, they could be asking for some more stuff and just not showing what's actually happening. Now, I'm not saying that everyone's a liar, I'm just writing on possibilities, because at the end of the day, we've got OpenAI denying it, we've got some people around the world getting it, some people not getting it, then you've got engineers saying it's hallucination. It's crazy time. So, you know, one possibility could be this whole thing is a hallucination and not true. The second possibility could be that it is true, but it's getting released in location to location like they have in the past. Or it could be something completely different. Maybe it has released, or maybe they've updated it to make sure it stops saying 4.5. I'm not too sure, but it is interesting times. Regardless, I'm happy with my GPT-4. I think it's running perfectly, and I really look forward to the next updates to see what they can really do to the game. But thanks for everyone's time. Thanks for watching the video, and hopefully see you on the next one.